Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in gold versus US dollar, in which you will get to understand step-by-step technical analysis. Watch the video till the end so that you do not miss the important part. Here I will calculate the proper lot size and then apply the trade, which I have already done, so that I can do risk management well. Guys are available after applying for trade. Guys, I have $4,507 in this account, which we will try to grow. If we suffer loss here, then it is not in our hands. Losses are a part of the game because no one can grow an account 100%. You will definitely see losses in between. You people ask me whether you apply for trade with 100% risk. But let me explain to you, I deposit the amount I have to lose in a trade in the trading account, and the rest of the money is kept safe in the bank account. Now let me explain the market trend to you because it is very important to understand. Here the market was following the uptrend for 8 days, but now the market is converting into a downtrend. Here I will first create a trend channel. The market was following this trend line very well, where we would see trend line support points. These support points are very important because the market can reverse from these points in the future, because there was extreme buying here. The second trend line will be connected with the same angle at higher high points, which will generate an overbought situation in the market. Because whenever the market comes near this trend line, we see a reversal towards down. The market was following this trend channel for a long time, due to which we will see perfect higher high higher low points. The market has given a trendline breakout at this point. We have applied a down trade on this breakout because we are getting good down signals in the market, which shows that this is a high probability breakout. As we move forward, you will understand more why we placed the sell trade. Now we have to draw strong reversal rectangle level from where the market repeatedly creates support and resistance points. At this level you will see multiple reversal points, which will help us get an idea of where the market has the potential to reverse in the future, which will give us more accuracy. At these points you can see that the market has created multiple resistance points at the same level. This is the beginning of a strong level, due to which reversal points have been created at this level in the future. Here also the market has created multiple reversal points at the same level, from which we are guessing that the market can create multiple support or multiple resistance points at this level in future also. There is a high probability chance that the market will go down from here, because the market has broken the trend line as well as strong level on the downside. Now I will apply some more trades here, because earlier I had applied half the trades. Here I am taking lot size as per my requirement. You apply trade as per your risk capital. Guys, now we have to set stop loss and target point, which is very important. Here my stop loss will be 40 pips above the strong level and inside the trend channel. If the market follows the uptrend again, our trade will be closed. And the target point will be 80 pips below, where the market can create a new lower low of this new downtrend. This target point of ours is fixed. We will not close the trade before this target. Guys, here we are running a huge loss, which is around $900. We have done proper risk management here so that we will be able to manage the trade. Guys, here all our work is completed. Now we have to wait till the market comes near our target. Now the most important thing here is to remain in the trade with patience, which is the most difficult task. Our risk-reward ratio here is 1 to 2, which I always apply. Guys, get it after stop loss or target is hit.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate he throws me. He gets caught in a big pissed off quick, and if he cross stream you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, said to hit the score, never getting gold, rise the blood and gold. Red is one more data from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be hard.
Guys, the market has given a very good move as I expected. We have drawn a strong level where the market has created multiple resistance points there. This shows that our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which we got such a big move. Our target point has not been hit yet. The market came very close and went back up. Now we wait for the target to be hit. Guys, our target has been hit very well. We followed our rules properly. You will always follow the rules in trading, only then you will be successful in trading. Now I am drawing another level here. At this level the market had created multiple resistance points from where the market reversed repeatedly, which you can easily see in the chart. All these points are important for us because in future the market will create reversal points again at this level. Here now the market will either break this level and go down, or it can go up taking support from here, which no one knows. The market will be called further. Now we close the trade. Guys, here we are making more than $5,200 profit. Here we have grown our account from $4,507 to $9,800, which has grown with proper risk management. You can also do this. This strategy gives very good results if it is used properly. If you like this video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.